If you want to enable 4K AV1 streaming in Chrome on Windows, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, safe way. AV1 can give you better video quality with more efficient playback, and once everything is set up properly, Chrome is much more likely to handle high-resolution streams smoothly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you are on the latest version. This matters because AV1 support works best on newer Chrome releases. To check for updates, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. If an update is available, let it install completely. Once it finishes, click Relaunch so the browser can restart with the newest version installed. Next, let's check your Windows version. This is important because AV1 support is better on newer Windows builds. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type Winver, then press Enter. A small window will appear showing your Windows version and build number. For the best experience, Windows 10 version 1909 or later is recommended. If you are using Windows 11, you already have built-in AV1 support, which is ideal for this setup. Now it is time to install the AV1 Video Extension. Open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. In the search bar, type AV1 Video Extension and look for the official Microsoft listing. Install it on your device. This extension helps Windows handle AV1 video content properly, which can improve compatibility when you are streaming high-quality video in Chrome. Once the installation is complete, you can move on to the final browser setting. Open Chrome again, click the three dots and go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Here, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn it on. This is a key step because hardware acceleration helps Chrome use your computer's graphics support to play demanding video more smoothly, especially when watching 4K AV1 streams. After enabling it, click Relaunch again so the change takes effect. Once Chrome restarts, you are ready to test it. Go back to your streaming site or video platform and start playing a 4K video that uses AV1. If your system supports it, you should get smoother playback and better performance. If things still do not look right, double check that Chrome is updated, the AV1 Video Extension is installed, and hardware acceleration is turned on in Chrome settings. That is how to enable 4K AV1 streaming in Chrome on Windows. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in playback quality and browser performance. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.